Hello everyone. We will be discussing today two topics which is covered for your first exam. It's logarithmic functions, the basic one, and the basic logarithmic or simple logarithmic functions and the simple trigonometric functions. Okay. Now let's first talk about the simple logarithmic function. So for the integral of au du, that would be a uh, a to the power of u over ln of a plus c. Okay, for number 8, that's the integral of ln of u du is equal to u ln of u minus u plus c. Okay, so actually there is this is some basics of logarithmic functions, which is yes included in your first exam. Okay, actually we also have theory number 6, which is I forgot to include. There you go. So for number 6, you have the integral of d over u. That would basically mean the ln of u plus c. So I will only include this one for your first exam, this number 6 theorem. So let's say for example you have this problem. So let's solve this problem, the integral of dx over x, okay? By theorem number 6, so dx over x is just equivalent to ln of x, all right, plus c, okay? So this is now your final answer, okay? For number 5, example number 5. So evaluate the integral of dx over x, or sorry, dx over 2x minus 3. So we already learned the use substitution integration, right? So this one, you will let u as 2x minus 3. Now your du would be 2 dx, okay? So you're going to change the x here into d over 2 since dx is equivalent to d over 2. So change all the given to u. So dx again is equivalent to du over 2. And your u is 2x minus 3, which is your u, tama? Okay, so now you have the integral of du over 2u. So once again, this is a constant. So ilalabas natin si constant, magiging 1/2 integral of du over u. Okay, so now you have, what is the integral of du over u by theorem 6? That's ln of u plus c. So you will have now 1/2 ln of u, which is 2x minus 3, right? So that's 2x minus 3 plus c. Now this is your final answer. Okay, now let's move to the other example. So how about this one? You have 2x cubed over x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, so now we are going to find or we are going to let u ang denominator. Why? Okay, let's try. Because if we let u, yung numerator natin, 2x cubed, it will give you a derivative of 6x squared. So there's no 6x squared here. You cannot see 6x squared sa equation. So using our common sense, right? If you are going to let u yung denominator, so yung derivative niya is 4x cubed. So you can see x cubed here, right? So pwede siya. So it can be integrated if you let u as your denominator. So now you will have x4 plus 1. Okay, so your du will be 4x cubed dx. Okay, but the problem here is that you only have 2x cubed dx. But this is 4x cubed dx. So what we should do is divide both sides by 2. So if you divide both sides by 2, now you can have 2x cubed dx, which means that you can change this equation to u in terms of u. So 2x cubed dx is once again du over 2. Okay, then x fourth plus 1, that is again your u. Okay, now same from your previous example. Now you will have 1/2 integral of du over u. That's ln of u. So your u is x fourth x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus c. Now this is your final answer. All right, let's see if I have more examples for logarithmic equations. The simple one. Okay, I think that's it. Yan na lang muna. All right. Okay, so now let's go to our next topic, which is all about the trigonometric, the simple trigonometric. So this one, you will memorize more. Let me show you. Okay, actually, this is already written in your sim, so you just need to familiarize yourselves to it. You need to memorize, okay? All right. So again, the integral of trigonometric functions is this one. Okay. So yeah, let's highlight the following. These are all important. So yeah, everything will be highlighted. Okay. So please familiarize yourselves with the following. Okay. Now let's go with some of the examples. So let's go with the simple one first. You are to integrate cos 3x dx. Okay, first, what is the integral of cos x? That's sine x, right? So previously in your differential calculus, the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. In integral calculus, the integral of cos x is positive sine x, all right? So here. Now here in your example, you just need to let u. Okay, so number 1, integral of cos 3x dx. So you let u, which is 3x, du equals 3 dx. Okay, divide both sides by 3. Okay, now you have dx, which is d over 3. Okay, so you can substitute everything in terms of u. So that's cosine. So 3x is equivalent to u, and dx is d over 3. Okay? All right. So since 1/3 is constant here, ilalabas natin siya. 1/3, and then integral of cos u du. So again, the integral of cos u is sine u plus c. Okay, now you have 1/3 sine. Okay, let's bring back u to the original one, which is 3x plus c. Now this is your final answer. Okay? All right, easy, right? It's somehow easy. Okay, for number 2, let's solve number 2. Evaluate sine squared x cos x dx. So if you can see, you will have a hard time. How are you going to integrate this kind of expression? So actually, you can simplify first. You can simplify sine squared x in terms of sine or cos rather, para all of them will be cos. Tapos if you distribute all of them, it will be now in terms of cosine. So you can easily integrate that one. Or by using the integration by substitution. So you can let u Okay, u as sine squared x, or say sine x. Okay, now what's the derivative of sine x? That is cosine x. Oops, sorry about my handwriting. It's so hard to write in laptop. Okay, so this will be du, and this is u squared, right? Change in terms of u. So this is u squared, then du. Okay, now you can easily integrate this one. So this is u, 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So that's u cubed over 3, right? So that's u cubed over 3 plus c. So change u back to the original form. So u is sine x cubed. So sine cube x all over 3 plus c. Now this is our final answer. All right. So by the way, if you have some questions right here, I will be uploading a forum for your inquiries and questions. Okay. All right. For the last one. Okay, let's double check. Yes, u squared du. So u cubed over 3 plus c. That is correct. All right. This one, a bit complicated example. Let's solve 1 plus 2x over cosine 2x dx. All right, so um, integration by use substitution is very important. Okay, so it's universal, so you can use it everywhere. Sa logarithmic, in terms of trigonometric, and in everything. So here, if we think, if we are going to think to let u as cosine 2x, what would happen if we let u as cosine 2x? So if you derive cosine 2x, that would be 2, or yeah, 2 or negative 2 sine 2x. The problem is this expression or equation here, there's a plus in between, there's a sign. So we can do it this way. You can let u equals 2x. Is it possible, sir? Is it legal? Yes, as long as you did not do something illegal in algebra, in the rules of algebra. Okay, as long as you did not murder algebra. So du would be 2 dx. Okay, so there is 2 dx here. We divide both sides by 2. Now you have the value of dx. Okay, so you will have 1 plus sine u over cos u, and then this is dx is d over 2. Okay, all right, so what will we do next? So we will um, the constant for d over 2 is 1/2, right? So let's bring 1/2 outside because since it's constant. Okay, so let's distribute first before we do that. So magiging, it will become 1/2 integral of, let's separate both of them. Okay, separate natin sila. So magiging 1 over cos u plus sine u over cos u, then du. Okay, so after that, you can distribute na. So you will have 1/2 integral of du over cos u plus 1/2 integral of sine u over cos u. So that is tan u, right? Tan u du. Okay, so du over cos u is 1 over cos is secant, correct? So that would be 1/2 integral of secant u du plus 1/2 integral of tan u du. Okay, what's next here? So we will now find out what is the integral of sec u du. Okay, by looking at the theorem, so sec u is equivalent, or the integral of sec u is ln of sec u plus tan u plus c. Okay, so this would be 1/2 times, is it positive or negative? Let's see. Okay, that's positive. Positive ln of sec u plus tan u plus ln sec u plus tan u. All right. Then plus c later on, because constant plus constant is still constant. No, we will join them together later, and then the integral of tan is just equivalent to ln of, let's see again to confirm, that's ln of sec plus c. Oops. Ln of secant u plus c. There you go. Now we are going to change back to the original term, cu, no? So you will have 1/2 ln of secant, so your u is 2x plus tan 2x, okay, plus 1/2 ln of secant 2x plus c. Now this is your final answer. Actually, you can still factor 1/2 out, factor 1/2 and then times ln sec 2x plus tan 2x plus sec 2x. Okay, so I think that's it. That's it for today. If you have questions again, you can just put it sa forum, no, for basig na confusion gamay. So yeah, you can ask me some questions, or you can also ask me some questions on GCA, because if I have time, then I will answer all of your questions. So thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something. Okay, good luck.